Grass Coin is suddenly back on everyone's radar, trading around 42 cents after a solid 27% pump in the last 24 hours, and the entire market is trying to figure out what sparked this new wave of momentum. The move looks strong, and it isn't just a random spike. There's real energy returning to the Grass ecosystem as fresh updates, community activity, and rising speculative interest line up at the same time. The biggest narrative pushing Grass right now revolves around its expanding role in decentralized data aggregation and bandwidth sharing networks. Over the past week, the project has been highlighted across several crypto research channels and Twitter threads, especially after new mentions about potential integrations with emerging AI data platforms. Even though nothing official has been confirmed yet, these hints have brought in a rush of retail curiosity, and that curiosity quickly turned into volume, giving Grass the boost it needed to break out of its recent sideways range. Another reason for the pump is the sudden spike in user activity around the mining and node participation sections of the project. Grass has been gaining popularity because people believe it could become one of the leading real-world data layer tokens, similar to how Helium and Theta had their early hype cycles. That growing demand is now beginning to reflect directly in price action, especially as traders jump in before any larger announcements roll out. Social media sentiment has also shifted heavily in favor of Grass. Influencers are pushing the narrative that this could be one of the next breakout low-cap AI-linked tokens, and whenever that kind of momentum builds, the chart usually reacts fast, which is exactly what we are seeing right now. With 27% growth in a single day, Grass has stepped into the spotlight at the perfect moment, catching both retail and early-stage speculative capital. Looking ahead, traders are eyeing the 50 cents to 55 cents range as the next major test. If Grass can push through those levels with healthy volume, the door opens for a potential run towards 60 cents to 70 cents, especially if the project releases new updates or confirms any of the partnerships being rumored. On the downside, the 38 to 40 cent support area is the level bulls want to protect, because losing that structure would signal the pump may be cooling off. For now, Grass is in a sweet spot. Strong community energy, fresh inflows, rising market attention, and a narrative that matches exactly what traders want in the cycle: AI, data, connectivity, and real-world utility. Whether it continues this run or takes a breather, it has clearly positioned itself as a coin to watch closely in the coming days.